Hello friends, I am doing a review on this iPad case. We just got this and I already feel so much more protected with this iPhone case, iPad case. Sorry, I'm not an anything person. I'm Samsung all day. So this is very, very new to me. But yeah, we got this case because my boyfriend is going to be using this for work. He works outside, so he wanted something with a strap and a hand holder so he can hold and just be without having to sit there and worry about it, and it just like hangs, which I'll show you guys. It just hangs. He's got this pretty low because he is a bit bigger than me. But this is Velcro, comes in and out. You can do it to your hand size, and it also turns. You can click it, you can have it set any way that you want to, with the direction that you need it to go on. Also, it's very good with the buttons. It's super easy to click on and off through the case, which I know is hard for some cases, but this one's really good. And it's also super sturdy. When we were putting this on, like hearing the clinks, like getting it together and secure, I was like, okay. Like, that's what you want to hear in a phone case. That's what you want to hear on an iPad case for sure. And it also has your spot for your stylus pen. Obviously, the stylus pen is not included. You got to buy that yourself. That'll be tagged below. But this is for the 11th generation and it fits perfectly. Also, this screen protector came with it. So the screen protector is on top and it's super, super easy to, oh, I turned on the camera. I've never done that before. This is fun. I don't know how to get off of it. Oh no. Okay, we did it. Anyway, it's super sensitive to touch, which is nice. I thought it was going to be difficult to do, but it's not. So far, we really, really enjoy this. The strap does come with it as well. And you just loop it to whatever side. There's holes on all the sides, so you can kind of choose where you want to strap it in at. So if you're looking for a good, hardy case, I highly recommend this one. It's very, very nice. Okay, anyway, I hope that helps.